a year-long trend that everyone is wearing. The first way to wear this Coral K necklace is over navy. I love it over a textured top, or it looks great when you tie it back to the actual color in the necklace over a textured lace top like this one. Or you can wear it over a navy print. Also in this collection we have our Aztec Coral Switch. And this is where we're showing a really beautiful coral neon color back to neutral, which is also a trend. This bag is super versatile. It zips down on the sides if you need a little bit more room. We also have an adorable clutch, which is very versatile. You can pop it in the bag, fit your credit cards and a lip gloss, and off you go. For an up-close and personal look at more of these summer styles, book a trunk show today.